guys, so welcome to number 8. Yes, number 8. Okay, so I've been at work all day and stuff, and as usual, so there's nothing new there. I haven't really done a lot this evening. It is now 21:24 PM. Well, obviously 21:24 is the 24-hour clock anyway. Excuse the noise in the background. I'm not actually sure what it is. It might be my mum sewing stuff. But yeah, so the only thing that's really happened this evening is I popped down to my friend's house. She's the one that's getting married in April, to pick up something which just reminded me I needed to do. I need to do just alter something for her, because something's a little bit wrong with it, and I'm using some of my bead tools, jewellery tools, that's one. That won't really take even 5 minutes, hopefully. So yeah, and then one of the bridesmaids came over to for a quick fitting of the toile, which is like a mock-up type version of the dress, but not the whole thing, just the part of it. And that is good. It just needs a slight adjustment, and that's it, which is good. And then what else? Oh yeah, and then I remembered I haven't actually opened my I hadn't opened 3 or 4 days. I think I got up to day 4 of the advent calendar. And then we stood there, me and the bridesmaid, one of them, stood and opened them, and then she put together one of the Ewoks, because that's what one of them was, and that was cool. So I have 2 or 3 other ones to do, I think, to make. So yeah, so literally, because it's Vlogmas and you're supposed to vlog every day, even if you're not really doing anything like me, that is a very interesting noise. Ow, I just whacked my elbow on this thingy. Yeah, my day yesterday is rendering as we speak. So that will be up, and then this one will probably follow it, because it won't take long to edit at all, because there's this one clip so far. And yeah, one of the days we was going to put up the Christmas decorations, but my mum has actually already done it on Sunday, which was on Sunday. On Sunday, me and Stewie got back quite late, so we couldn't do it, and then I needed to vlog Saturdays and Sundays stuff, so I needed to edit Saturday and Sunday's vlogs. Yeah, I'm not sure what I said the first time, but yeah, and I left my phone downstairs, I think, and it's going off. So yeah, and then she'd done the tree and stuff, but I'll show you what we've done. So this is what my mum did earlier. She did all of this. One of these is pretty with the, what Christmas leaf is that again? Christmas leaf? I can't remember now. But yeah, and then the lights. Oh, the pretty lights. The pretty lights. And then also goes down to here. Let me try and get that in. There we go. And then my mum put up these, and then round the door, and a Christmas tree. Don't know what Mum's watching on the TV, but yeah, it looks so pretty. There are lights on the front of the window as well, you can just about see, but yeah. Then we have these ones over here. Yeah. And then the little nativity. And then Mum has some, something smells nice. Anyway, some roses that Mum's got, and a little stockings, and Stewie stocking, and other things. So these are more decorations in here. And Christmas wrapping paper, which will come in useful, because I have presents. Well, I need 2 to wrap up, and then there's some more there. So, and then the ceiling, and then there's some more all the way around the ceiling too. See? Yeah, because it's like really, really, really long lights. So yeah, that's pretty much it. At the moment. tomorrow I think me and Stewie are going to go find some more paint. Let me go down here in the actual good light. Yippee! Yeah, basically you probably didn't see actually, the our bedroom walls are really dark, and they mark really easily, and that's not good. So we're probably gonna get an actual paint that doesn't do that. And also the colour we actually wanted in the original in the original first place, that makes no sense, in the first place was a purple colour, like a really deep purple rather than a dark purple. The colour we got ended up being a really dark navy blue. It doesn't really go, I don't think so, and also the marks and things. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow hopefully, and then we've got to paint some more. Unfortunately, we didn't really want to paint anymore. We've got to cover up the carpets and stuff, and see how that goes. And also, which also means it pushes back the bedroom cupboards, wardrobes rather, because they're going to make those, make them built in. So they'll probably do the cable for something like other cables and stuff which haven't been done yet. Yeah, so that's what might happen tomorrow, whether it does or not. But it should do, because we should get some paint and have a look at some paint again, which means more painting. But it's only 4 walls and 2 coats, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long, and it shouldn't take too long to dry either, so fingers crossed. Yeah, so I will probably leave this vlog here because there's nothing else to really say, but I thought I'd just update you on things that have sort of been going on a little bit, because it is Vlogmas, and like I said earlier, it's supposed to really vlog every day till Christmas, which is going to be really hard for me because I don't think there's a lot of other things really going on. The weekend I think is going to be a bit busy because we're going back to the house as always on weekends, and we have Christmas curry on Christmas curry on Saturday with our car friends, and then Sunday I'm probably just going to be doing hopefully some party stuff because I haven't even started yet, and it's in January. And Stewie is going with some of our friends, or one of our friends, and his new girlfriend, which is, she's cool. I'm looking forward to meeting her on Saturday. Anyway, they're going to a track somewhere to look at some cars, and expensive cars and supercars and all that fun stuff. But I've got loads of other stuff to do that's a bit more important than I know I'm saying a bit more important than cars, but I like cars, but I've got lots of other stuff to do as well. So is this like, oh, it was slightly, but anyway, so I will definitely now leave this vlog here. So yeah, give this a thumbs up. You don't have to if you like it, because then I know that you like my videos, and yeah, and it helps me out a lot, because then I feel love, I feel the love, I feel the love, I feel the love, if it's really real. Anyway, that was really weird and random. So yeah, and subscribe is just here if you want to subscribe. All my social networks are in the description as well, so when I'm not like vlogging and stuff, I post photos and whatnot. So yeah, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.